Most individuals have at least one animal phobia, whether it is a terror of anything creepy or fear of sharks. But which animals are actually worth being terrified of? You may be surprised by the reality. All kinds of ferocious animals have the potential to be extremely dangerous. While some actively cause numerous human deaths, others are less well recognized but exceedingly deadly when they come into touch. It's just one of the many reasons that knowledgeable tour operators and animal advocates constantly advise against approaching or otherwise interacting with wildlife. Today, we have brought to you the 5 most dangerous animals in the world. Number 1 will surprise you the most. Number 5. Hippopotamus. Although they appear to be enormous, foolish creatures, hippos are frequently regarded as Africa's most hazardous mammal. They have a mouthful of fangs that are sharp and powerful enough to cause fatal harm, and they are territorial and unpredictable. They will violently defend their territory if it is invaded, whether it is by a crocodile, another hippo, or a boat full of tourists. Hippos attack with approximately 2-foot-long canine teeth that produce a pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch. A lion exerts half this much pressure when biting its hardest. Hippos hold the distinction of being the most metal animal on the earth, which should be enough of a warning to avoid them. Number 4. The box jellyfish. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration regard these transparent, practically invisible invertebrates as the most dangerous marine animal in the world. They are frequently spotted floating, or very slowly moving, at speeds close to 5 miles per hour in Indo-Pacific waters. Up to 15 tentacles on their eponymous cube-shaped frames, which can reach a length of 10 feet, are present. Additionally, those tendrils are covered in nematocysts, a type of stinging cell that contains poisons that can currently assault the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Although there are antivenoms, many human victims have been known to go into shock and drown or pass away from heart failure before reaching the coast. In the Philippines alone, they murder 20 to 40 people annually. Number 3. Golden poison dart frog. Only a small number of the many different kinds of vividly colored frogs, known as poison darts, are particularly harmful to people. The most lethal, a golden poison dart that grows to about 2 inches long, lives in a limited area of rainforests along Colombia's Pacific coast, roughly the size of a paperclip. One frog contains enough of its deadly poison, known as batrachotoxin, to kill 10 grown men, yet just 2 micrograms, roughly the size of a pinhead, is required to kill a single person. Number 2. Mosquito. The common mosquito, which is even smaller than the tsetse fly at 3 millimeters in length, is ranked as the 2nd most deadly animal in the world. Our justification is the staggering number of deaths each year brought on by different infections that several mosquito species transmit to people. The annoying insects are the main carriers of diseases like malaria, chikungunya, encephalitis, elephantiasis, yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and the Zika virus, which collectively affect an estimated 700 million and kill over 725,000 people annually. Number 1. Humans. Surprised? Since we are also animals and have been killing one another for 10,000 years, with an estimated 150 million to 1 billion deaths from war alone, and that was 10 years ago, it should come as no surprise that we are at the top of the list. We engage in a staggering amount of mindless brutality against one another, from domestic terrorism to gun violence. We pose a threat to other animals as well. Just consider the effects of global warming, the devastation of forests and coral reefs, and over-tourism, to name a few. That's all we have for you guys today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.